Hi, dear teacher. We have here a question. What is the value of? And you see whole numbers and decimal numbers. So the most important part of the strategy here that we need to understand something, that if I have a large number with this way, 301 and 75, we know that the position of this is the 1, here is the 10, here is the 100, and anything after decimals we call it tenth and hundredth. So we need to add all this number one after the other, and we need to keep the right position for each number. So in this case, if I have 7.05, the other number is 5. So this is before the decimal. 1.5, so that means 1.5. 205, that means 2.05. And 4.5, 4.5. So when I add, I know that I have the position of the tenth, the position of the hundreds, and the ones. So 5 and 5 equal 10. I have 1. 1 and 0, 1. And I have 5 and 5, 10. 10 and 1, 11. 1 and I have 1. 7 plus 1 equal 8. 8 and 5, 13. 14. And 2, 16. 16 and 4, 20. So that means 20.10. This is the right answer. And why we have to do it with this way? Because you see from the beginning of the question, it's without calculator. So we are not allowed to use a calculator. So from the beginning, we need to try to do it with this way, to put all the ones together, all the tenths together, all the hundreds together, and at the end, we add all of them. And this is how we can find the answer. Thank you for listening.